Hi guys, cordial greetings. Student's name Diego Alejandro León. Valuation method, income approach method. Short description. It is based on the principle of anticipation through which the future need monetary benefits will be determined in an estimate of the present value. Using a discount rate appropriate to the type of good being studied. Advantage of the method is seek to evaluate the potential of the business project to work to the future. It is based on the sum of all income attributed to various economic agents and resulting from said production. Mathematical formula: labor remuneration at return on capital, interest, rent, profit, etc. at net take, production and important 8 balance of labor and capital income with the rest of the world. Value in Colombian currency 4,005,000. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.